So welcome to my channel. This is the product I have. As you can see, it's a product from Jumia. I ordered it from Jumia. I don't know whether you can see from there. It's a portable tripod, and if you're going to try to see what is inside there. Yep. So we try to open it and we see what could be inside here. Ooh, it's a bit hard. Where does it open from? Voila! Gotcha. I opened it up a bit upside down, but this is how it looks like. So we have our mini stand. This is how it looks like. It has a cell phone adjuster. I think you turn it from this side and you screw the back. You can move up and down, and you can put the cell phone here. If you have a cell phone, you can just put it in here and you tighten the back. You should be able to grip. Let's first put and arrange everything and we see what's inside. So this is the start. Just a second. What came in here? You see one leg. It's a portable Puluz. It's a Puluz, as you can see. So we can adjust this in here. We'll screw it inside. Should be a second leg. It should be a second leg. I think this should be it. And you screw it in here. It's also a Puluz. As you can see, this can be adjustable and they slide to whatever angle you want. As you can see. So which other things do we have? We have here a microphone, a Puluz microphone. We shall later test on how well it works. We have our cables here. We have cables here. Coming through. I think these are supposed to go in the microphone somewhere here before you plug them in, but we'll try that later on. So what else do we have? Oh yes, we have this is supposed to be our light. So this is supposed to be our light. It should give us all the lights that we need. We shall test it. What else is missing? We have some plugs in here. We have some plugs in here. So I wonder where they are too. So I wonder where these go. I'll probably get this. So this is how they look like. They come with the screw. They have a screw. So what should we start with? Let's start with the light. So you plug this in the light. Just pin it. That should be able to hold it. And this is meant to slide in here. Once it slides, you grip. This grip tightens to make it a little bit tighter, so that it doesn't shouldn't be able to slip. Why isn't it working? Here it gets loose. Yep. So it slides in here and you tighten the grip. It's a little bit tougher to get it to tighten in there, but it should hold. It should hold. Yep. Until when it's tight, as you can see. We do the same for the mic. Get this pin. I got this is the mic. Probably we have to screw it together in here. See, this is a mic. It has to screw in here. It also zooms in here. So I don't know whether you're seeing this. It's supposed to zoom in here until it enters in one of these holes over there. So it should be able to give us the light we'll need when you are carrying out our normal vlogs. So I tighten this up. I do the same. I tighten it up to the left here. Yep. So we're pretty much seeing that our setup is finally getting done. And let me get my phone. My phone is supposed to go in here. Remember, we're losing the grip at the back until when it holds the phone. Oops, it was pressing the phone button. Yep, yeah. Until when it holds the phone. So this has a button here. You can adjust the lights accordingly. So this is supposed to be plugged in a laptop. Let me try to power here a laptop and I see. Yep, this is lighting red. You can see it's lighting blue. So this shows that the lights are on, and we're going to try to power them on, and we're going to try to power them on, and then we see whether the light will show any. So I don't know how. I'm trying to use two different cameras for the same thing. I don't know how the previous camera was, but this is how basically everything looks like. The setup, the microphone, the lights. This should be the basic way it should look like. So if I try to switch on the lights here, this is how the lights look like. You have the power button on there. You have the power button here. Sorry, this is the power button. This adjusts lighting to increase, decrease lighting, and you can change lighting. Let's give it a shot and see, and we'll see how it works. The lights are on. See, let's try to change the lighting, and we see to white light, sunlight, yellow light. It's a cycle. So as you can see, sunlight, blue light, white light, sunlight, blue light, white light. Then you can switch it off from here. It comes with a mini microphone. Let me try to connect it from the phone and I try to see. So I've plugged in the microphone. I don't know how well it's working, but this is the microphone. So you have this setup is complete. It's a Puluz. So, and you're set to vlog. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends.